Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can find Block Blast high scores, where people submit their high scores and whether or not you have managed to beat any of them. So what you want to do is just go and open up your browser on your phone, and you are going to Google search for Block Blast Leaderboard. Now it's going to show you a bunch of different websites, but you want to scroll down a little bit until you see some of those like I'm showing you right here. Now these will keep the high scores and leaderboards for Block Blast, so you just want to go to the website itself where it says check out Block Blast high score leaderboard, see the top players, track your rankings, #1 Block Blast champion in the world. So if you go there, you should be able to find the leaderboard for Block Blast. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub if it did, and I'll see you next time.